Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we're gonna do Life with Stylish night and morning routine products I use daily. I'll give you the products I use, the breakdown, and where I get them, and possibly where you can purchase them as well. So every morning I have a shower, and every night I have a shower, and the products I use is Dove. So I use a soap and I use a body wash. And a lot of people are gonna say, why do I use a soap and why do I use a body wash? It's just preference. I just like to soak my skin up with the soap, and then I lather my skin with the body wash. It's just preferences, so that's what I prefer. With the body wash and soap, I use the exfoliation scrub, or I'll use a bath cloth. So I do that every morning and every night with Dove product. I don't need any other else. Because if you have been following me on TikTok, I did mention that I have eczema. I don't have it as strong now, it's very mild, so I don't use heavy products on my skin because it will make me flare up. So Dove is my go-to. Next, I use exfoliating body scrub. So after I already lather, I put this on and then I scrub on my skin, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, this is just preference. So this is what I do in the night and in the morning, 3 times a week, because this product is very expensive. This is close to £5. So 3 times in a week is good enough for me. You can get from any pharmacy or any supermarket. Your preference is fine. The exfoliation scrub, I got a pack of 5 from Shein, and the bath cloth I got from IKEA. You can get them in different colors, 4 in a pack for, I'm not sure. Exfoliation scrub, you can get that as well from any supermarket or pharmacy, but I buy mine from Superdrug or from Greece. This is recommended to me by RH Beauty Zen. I went and I got my facial and everything, and she recommended this as because I have eczema and I was breaking out. So this is a lot gentle on the skin. So if you need to book an appointment or you need some skin tips, you can follow her on Instagram. She'll sort you out. But yeah, you can get this from Boots or Superdrug. If there's anywhere else, you can leave a comment below. But yeah, this is where I purchased this product, and yeah, it does wonders for my skin, and I don't break out, none of those extra bits. So moving on to the face. So again, going with the Cetaphil. So this is a moisturizing lotion. This is very gentle on the skin, as I mentioned before. I have mild eczema, so I use product that is very just gentle and not harsh on my skin. Again, you can find it on Boots, Superdrug, and I'm not sure anywhere else, but those are the places that you can find. Next, you're gonna lotion the skin. Again, Dove. I'm a Dove girly. I would recommend Dove any day, as it's very light, gentle on the skin. It's not too harsh or heavy on the skin. Dove I use on my hands and just lotion my body, as it's a lot gentle on my skin and it's not too harsh. Again, this is just preference, and this is what I use in the morning and in the night. So the Vaseline and the Red Fox and the Palmer's Cocoa Butter, yeah, I use these interchangeably on under my bottom foot, because living in the UK makes your skin dry and feel a little harsh a little bit. So I try to use these as much as possible. To help smooth my skin a bit, because I don't know, my bottom foot just normally feel a bit rough a bit, maybe, yeah, but these are what I use in the night to moist my bottom feet, and in the morning as well. But Red Fox, see this? Red Fox, I can't go wrong. Red Fox, I love this. It's almost done. Well, really almost, but it's getting it. But I love Red Fox, so I definitely recommend it. Someone had asked me in the comment, and it smells really nice too. Someone had asked me in the comment section where I got it from. I always go to London because I love to go to the African shops, and Brixton as well. Yeah, that's where I get it. So if you're in England, check out the African shops and get one. Easy. The palm on the Vaseline you could get by Superdrug or by Boots. Yeah, it's almost done because I'm always using this all the time, 24/7. So I would definitely recommend Vaseline and Palmer as well. It makes your skin feel so smooth and smelling good as well. So I would definitely recommend this 100%. You have to put on a deodorant. So Dove deodorant. I am a Dove girly. Skin gentle, not harsh. Again, that's just preference. I love Dove. You may know something else. This is purely my night and morning routine. I love using Bath and Body Works every night because I love my sheets smelling nice when I go to sleep or when I wake up in the morning. Again, that's preference. I love Japanese cherry blossom. Right now it's almost done. I need to go and replenish it, but I would definitely recommend every girlie should at least have one Bath and Body Works product in the collection of whatever you have. But yeah, I use this on my neck, just on my shoulder, but just to make me smell a little bit nice at nighttime. So you can get this at Next. They have an outlet Bath and Body there in Southampton, so you can visit them and purchase one. It's not cheap, so I definitely recommend you guys get yourself a Bath and Body Works Japanese cherry blossom. Put on body mist every morning and every night. Again, I don't use too much harsh products on my skin because as I mentioned, eczema, and I don't want my skin to be flared up too much, so I use these light body mist on my skin every morning and every night. So you can get whatever scents you prefer. I love these and Love Spell, Temptation. There's many other more that you can purchase. So this is what I use every night and every morning. Finally, I moist my lip every morning and every night. I use different lip balm or maybe a lip shine, depends, or lip gloss in the morning. In the night, I would use either the Carmex, the Vaseline, or petrol jelly. It depending on how I'm feeling in the night, I will use these products in the night. But in the morning, like when I'm off to work, I'll put a lip gloss on my lip, or I'll just use Vaseline or Carmex. Boots, you can get that Superdrug, you can even get it at Tesco, your preference. This is my preference of what I use in the night and what I use in the morning. If you would like to get these, you can purchase them again at Boots, Superdrug. Those are my go-to store for all of my products I have here besides the Bath and Body Works. So I'll definitely feel more soft and hydrated. So yeah, watching a little bit of Life with Stylish, what I do in the morning and what I do in the night routine. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.